How to fix Bank of America app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Type in the app name Bank of America and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now at the right corner of the app, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Bank of America. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store. Search for the app Bank of America. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Bank of America app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.